Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up About Us page content. So About Us page content is very important for our website, for our brand. Most of the people, if they are scroll and visit my website, they try to go About Us as pages because they try to understand, is this scam business or is this real business. So that's why we need to create professional About Us page content. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can do, if you don't have a time, you can do one more way, which is like, first of all, whenever you want to create an online store, you have to click the you have to, whenever you want to create pages for About Us, you have to click the online store. From them, you can see under that, you can see pages. You have to click here, and then after that you will see that About Us. If you don't have About Us page, you have to click the here, like add to page, and from here you can click the About Us. So you can save it, will create About Us page like that. Okay, I'm not gonna save it because I already have one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click here, and after that I'm gonna exactly, if you don't have a time, I already told you that if you don't have a time, you can do it this way. Suppose I have generated content with ChatGPT by giving him our brand prompt, so you can say something like that. You can copy who we are, you can directly copy here, you can directly copy from here, and you can copy here, and also you can paste it on your website over here. And here is the one more thing, your website name. So I will give my website name by copy here, and I will paste it here. Let's delete it. Okay, I'm gonna paste it in my brand name, and then here I need to paste email. Okay, so what is our email? Let's find out. So to get our email, I have to go to settings, and I will open link in new tab for settings, and then I will click the policy. You can see there, here's the policy, and no, sorry, you have to click the general, and then you can see this. Later on my client gonna give the Gmail, but for now I will keep it as it is. Okay, so let's go here because my client have a professional email, so I don't know which email client using, so that's why I'll keep it like that. Later on, whenever my client give me any email, then I'm gonna use. Okay, so now let's see this looks of the homepage. If I click the view here, and then you're gonna see this looks of the About Us pages, you can see, but this is not looks professional. I have to customize also. So here I can customize, so I have to click the online store, and then from here I have to go to the page. I have to click the page, and after clicking this page, I have to go to the I have to click here home, and then from here I have to navigate the pages, and then I have to click the About Us page, like About Us, like this one. Let's click here, and then you can see this looks. Okay, so why this page content not showing? If I click here, the page content, you can see my website thing showing here. So for now I will keep it, I will hide all this stuff, and then I will keep it normal, Okay, so you can see my About Us page is ready. So if I click the save, and I think if after the refresh, I will show this page's content. You can see about our About Us page content here. So if you want to add any images, you can use this kind of row, but for now I will keep it as it is, because just I'm showing you, because my client don't have any requirement to create a professional About Us page. Sometimes he say that, yeah, people need to know about information, that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's the thing. I will hide it, and then after that I'm gonna save it. Okay, you can see I already saved. So guys, yeah, this way you can create your About Us pages. So if you want to learn more, I 100% definitely recommend you visit the Creative Web Boost, and you can grow your business with e-commerce. We are only specific work with like boost your leads, appointment, and sales with proven digital marketing solution for dental, roofing, solar, and e-commerce business. So if you want to definitely grow your business, just visit that, and then go to the e-commerce marketing pages. Then you can find your service, and then you can book a call with us. You can also see pricing about our, and then if you want to learn pricing, you just book a call with us. Then we're gonna discuss together to grow your business. Thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.